Are you tired of guessing which AI prompts will actually work? Learn how to find trending, data-backed prompts in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Semrush's prompt research tool to discover trending AI topics and prompts in just a few clicks. Start by going to Semrush folders. Click on the first highlighted element. Click on the next highlighted element. Click on the third highlighted element. Click on Discover Trending AI Prompts and Topics to explore what's popular. Click on the highlighted element. Click on Analyze to see the results. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.